Hello everyone. Hi. Hello. A very good evening to one and all. Hello Dr. Neha. I'm good. How are you guys? I see girls joining me here. Thank you so much. You guys are also looking absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. All right, so we have few people already joining us. Once again, a very good evening on behalf of YFH Life Care. और आज का टॉपिक ऑलरेडी आपको टाइटल से पता चल रहा है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ menstrual hygiene, and we also gonna have a special guest जो हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे and they are going to be with us. So for all the knowledge, guys and girls, this is anchor Arzu and I've got a request. जो हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐड करने जा रहे हैं डॉक्टर नेहा को. She's going to join us and with her we're gonna start this session. जो हमें हेल्प करेंगे. She's a psychiatrist. Hi Dr. Neha, how are you doing?
I'm doing perfectly fine, Arzu. Thank you so much for the invitation.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining here. You are looking absolutely fresh and beautiful today.
Thank you.
Okay, so before we start this session, I just want you give a special gist, like एक छोटा सा gist about yourself to the audience over here.
Definitely. Hi, I'm Dr. Neha. I'm a certified psychologist. It's been 10 years I'm practicing in the field of mental health and talking a lot about your menstrual hygiene, how to keep, as a woman, how you can talk about yourself and why it's not your right to talk about some of the things that are just restricted between girls. I think this is a high time that we should
Yeah.
speak, we should educate the women about it and just not to keep it inside us.
Right, absolutely. I totally agree with you. So, ma'am, today is really a beautiful day, and you have joined us. I'm definitely sure that many of the people are going to get inside knowledge of this thing. First of all, people have this myth that we should not use menstrual cup. So, I just want a simple thing: why people have this myth, and what is the one thing that people should not think too much about this menstrual cup?
See, it's been 3 years. I have switched from normal pads to menstrual cup.
Yeah.
जब मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया था तो it was initially a bigger myth कि ये अंदर चला जाता है and it will go deep into your uterus or to your
Same,
stomach. Even I have
same with
heard all this.
yeah.
हाँ, तो वो चला जाता है और फिर वो चला जाएगा तो फिर ढूंढने में बहुत मुश्किल होगा और मे बी इंसर्टिंग समथिंग इनसाइड. इट्स नॉट जस्ट यू एंड मी. अगर मैं किसी को,
Yeah.
even if I'll go to any lady in a village or let's say in the urban cities also, अगर मैं
Yeah.
वहां जाके बोलूंगी कि आप कब स्विच कर लीजिए और आपको कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आपने डालनी है तो डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी लॉट्स एंड
Lot.
लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस
Yeah.
as well as they'll be like यार ये क्या बकवास है ना. If there is something that we can place है ना,
Yeah.
that is something they find safe. But
Yeah.
trust me, when I started using the cups, it is so comfortable. And secondly, Arzu, whenever we go to washroom, we feel like when we look somewhere and we feel really tacky, है ना? But when
Yeah.
the cup is inserted, you feel so comfortable, you feel so hygienic, and as well as there is no any problem in terms of, let's say, leakage. And you cannot even, you can wear it anytime, even while sleeping, even while doing exercising, everything. It's one of the best method, and I'm very thankful that I switched. Even if I'll given a chance to even advocate to all the females around, switching to cup is one of the very safest way.
Yeah, and I completely agree to you with this because जब पहली बार मेरे पास भी आया था, I was also with this same questions. Like कहीं गुम जाएगा, नहीं मिला, मुझे जल्दी है, कहीं गुम जाएगा, मैं क्या करूंगी? What will
And
I
how
do?
to clean it, even they have questions about sanitizing it, है ना, ये तो
Yeah.
झंझट ही है. How to, but trust me, sanitizing in once in 24 hours is a very easy procedure, and
Yeah.
cleaning it is also very easy one.
Even I have switched over it and I completely loved it. Completely means completely loved it.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And
now
many
moving
women
on.
are switching. The ones who don't know even may have some
Yeah,
questions. But whenever
yeah,
we speak about it, and these awareness sessions are basically for letting women understand कि कपड़ा रख रहे हैं, or maybe you're switching to pads. There are lots of issues regarding hygiene, maintenance,
yeah.
cleanliness. Pads are really tacky, as well as their
You get
position can change
rashes.
with,
Even I used to
yeah.
get rashes in those areas. So
Mm.
you get removed from those things, and that's really
Yes,
nice. And
yes, yes.
if people are thinking of tempons also, I feel like that it is for a very shorter period. आपको बहुत कम समय में उसको change करना पड़ता है. So in
Right.
comparison to that, menstrual cups are really nice because it's have a huge time कि आप उसको ज्यादा समय तक अपने में रख सकते हैं और अपना काम भी easily कर सकते हैं.
And yes, there is no wastage in
Yeah,
terms of pads, and lots of wastage. And disposal is also a bigger deal.
yeah,
And money wise, bhi, na, every time you have to buy it, cups go straight away for 2, 3, 5 years, depends how
yeah.
much time you use. Absolutely, absolutely a go-go choice for cups.
Absolutely. See, with this, we come up with the first question on behalf of YFH Life Care. So, first is that what is the state of mind of a woman during periods?
See, usually, let me talk about the medical term in a very easy way. See,
Okay.
when the menstrual cycle starts, there are lots of hormonal fluctuation that happens. Women
Absolutely.
basically has two hormone, estrogen and progesterone, which is basically responsible for your menstrual deviation. And many female find this time a really difficult time of their life as compared to our
Uh,
the
normal day.
studies of,
Yeah.
yes, अगर किसी को डिप्रेशन है, एंजाइटी है, कोई भी और मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं, वो बढ़ जाते हैं नियरेस्ट टू योर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल. इवन
Yeah.
इफ यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड, यू फील हाईली सैड, यू फील इरिटेबल अराउंड इट, एंड दैट वी call as PMS, right?
Right.
Premenstrual symptoms, and that gives you a signal कि अब आपके periods start होने वाले हैं.
That.
Along with it, we have one more diagnosis which we call as premenstrual dysphoria. That means you start maybe frightening up के आने वाले हैं, and this is
Okay.
going to be the hardest days. So these days also triggers the mental health issues. So state ये रहता है कि हमें पता है वी आर यूजिंग कार्ब्स, वी आर ऑलमोस्ट वेरी मच लेट्स से नोन टू ऑल दिस, बट स्टिल कहीं ना कहीं आपको इरिटेबिलिटी, कहीं ना कहीं दैट फीलिंग ऑफ हैवीनेस, फीलिंग ऑफ मे बी वी कैन नॉट गो आउट विथ सच एक्साइटमेंट है ना, थोड़ा सा
Right.
प्रिकॉशंस, ये सब हमें जर्नली भी रहता है. एंड रिमेंबर समबडी हु इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग थ्रू डिफरेंट फेजेस इन देयर लाइफ, somebody who's pregnant, somebody who's fighting to get pregnant,
Yeah.
someone who has a bigger show on the platforms to perform, or maybe someone who has to manage lots of course in one go, है ना.
Right.
So उनके लिए सोचिए टाइम्स कितने डिफिकल्ट हैं. एंड
Exactly.
इवन इफ द डेज व्हेन वी नो कि हमारे तो नॉर्मल्स हैं या अभी ठीक चल रहा है, साइकिल समय पे है,
Yeah.
रिमेम्बर एंड टॉक अबाउट द लेडीज हु रियली फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट कि उनके टाइम से क्यों नहीं आएंगे, आएंगे तो डिले तो नहीं
Ah.
होता, विच वी कॉल एज पीरियड
And
ट्रॉमा. दैट इट
yeah.
समवेयर गिव्स यू द पिंच कि अरे कुछ डिले तो नहीं हो रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रही है.
Yeah.
So even the if I'll call about your psyche or what is going through in your mind through these days is a feeling of uncomfortableness with your
Yeah.
physical symptoms, although maybe bloating, maybe not liking the food, loss of appetite, headaches, cramps, along with the physical symptoms, as well as the psychological symptoms of headaches, and keep it away. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to go out. So ये
I
बहुत
had
ज्यादा
some
चीज है.
of this for sure
Yeah,
with
even Azu, there are
I
some
get
girls who are
stuck
highly
with some
excited these days, and there's
yeah.
some who are not at all excited.
I get stuck with something that I want this ice cream with this flavor only. If I don't get it, I feel like, oh my god, what the hell is happening around me?
Yeah, it happens,
So
and
it
it's
happens.
absolutely normal.
Yeah, exactly. So we also get like being a working woman when you said that have to do a lot of shows, stage shows and everything. So I have seen like pata nahi kya hai, but when it's my first day, I have a bigger show. And I have to go with hell lot of pain, trauma, mood swings and everything, and keeping those all things aside, I have to present myself in front of a thousands of faces. So
Yeah.
that's
So the
like,
hard thing for you also, because you
yeah.
cannot change the dates now. Whatever has been decided,
After
Azu has to be on the show.
after that, I want something particular that is going on in my mind. If I want a chocolate, then I want a chocolate. If I want a ice cream, then I want a ice cream. Then I won't go like that कि नहीं बस अब इससे चल जाएगा. नहीं भाई, हमें चाहिए तो चाहिए bro.
Yeah, that's even if you are saying it proudly that I have this sort of mood fluctuations or
I have
swings, that is also good go.
I have it, and most of the people around me, my friends and all, they all know that I have mood swings, and that's what I also know, that I have a mood swings. Okay,
Right.
with this, we are moving on to this question number 2. That is like, what is period trauma? What do you term it as a period trauma?
See, there is no absolute diagnosis in terms of period trauma, but
Yeah.
basically, if you have a high state of premenstrual symptoms as well as dysphoria, जो बहुत समय से prolonged रहता है, या फिर periods की fluctuation, that means excessive periods or less period, we call as metrorrhgia or menorrhagia. अगर ये problems भी बहुत ज़्यादा prolonged रहती हैं, then there is a psychological state of being, let's say, इनफाइन टू अ पर्टिकुलर बाउंड्री. मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती, मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकती, मुझे ऐसे ही करना
हाँ.
पड़ेगा, मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम्स है. दैट गिव्स यू अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रॉमा. ऑल्सो the woman who has already gone through traumas, a psychological trauma in past, maybe some fight, everything, that can also gets related to this menstrual deviation days. And actually, these days makes you weak. You
Somehow,
understand?
yeah.
Somehow it is something that your body is repairing inside.
It's,
Your
yeah.
uterine walls are repairing, you are going through little bit bleeding, so these are the days where you are little weak
Yeah.
psychologically, physically, and that sometimes any fluctuation during these days can lead to period traumas.
Absolutely, absolutely. I feel so. Okay, with this, we also have something that यहाँ पे जितने audience है बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े. Everybody saying you hi, hello, everything. I think हमें लग रहा है हम लोग थोड़ा उनको neglect करें. But we also want कि अगर आपके mind में कोई भी question है, you can
Yes,
definitely ask to Dr. Neha. She'll be happy to answer you all. So anybody over here, any female or male or any person who is watching us, आपको मन में कोई भी सवाल है related to importance of menstrual hygiene, तो आप यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं. But questions only related to the topic.
yes.
Okay, so absolutely we understand the period trauma, and that is one of the normal thing people are going through these days. Apart from this, what we have is called mood swings, that I said that I have a high level of mood swings with me. What are mood swings and how periods are related to this?
See, the similar way the estrogen and progesterone, when there is a sudden rise and fall of estrogen and progesterone, your brain releases neurotransmitters. छोटे छोटे से chemicals हैं जो brain release करता है, and that
Okay.
lowers down the serotonin and dopamine level. ये भी थोड़ा सा technical terms हैं, but ये समझ लीजिए कि जैसे हाँ, yes, तो we call it as a serotonin dip, there's a dopamine increase, मतलब आपके ना वो chemical लोचा सा शुरू हो जाता है, and that chemical locha results in different flushes. Maybe you feel very happy, and the other moment you feel
Very sad.
sad, you feel irritable. So sort of flashes. जो movie में चलता है ना एकदम से hero positive हुआ और negative हुआ. Yes, so this comes up. So you need chocolate, that is a negative gush, and the moment you feel wow, positive. So that was positive. So this
Pause.
comes and go, and this is called mood swings. And it not only related to your menstrual time कि जो वो 4-5 days का cycle है तभी important नहीं है, उससे
Okay.
पहले और उसके बाद में भी रहता है. जैसे
All
पीरियड स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं, प्रीमेंस्ट्रुअल सिम्टम्स या प्रीमेंस्ट्रुअल डेज के अराउंड, व्हेन देयर इज अ ल्यूटियल फेज. एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि जब आपको पीरियड्स होने वाले हैं तो आपका एग रिलीज होता है, व्हिच वी कॉल
yeah,
एज रिलीजिंग डेज, राइट?
yeah.
सो जब वो एग रिलीज होगा तो वो पहले मेच्योर होगा. मे बी इट स्टार्ट्स विद दिस थिंग, देन मेच्योरिंग, एंड इट इज वेटिंग फॉर द स्पर्म टू एंटर.
Right. Got it.
Okay. So in case the sperm is not entered, usually in our monthly cycles, so this the egg which has already been made gets burst up and
First.
it releases in the form of your like your blood or maybe something else. So
Yeah.
क्या है कि जब ये बिल्कुल मेच्योर हो जाता है तब आपके फ्लोज, आपके जो हॉर्मोन्स हैं वो डिविएट होते हैं. तो जब
Okay.
ये डिविएट होंगे तब आपको बहुत सारे फीलिंग्स आएंगी, डिस्कम्फर्ट रहेगा, इरिटेबिलिटी रहेगी, मूड स्विंग्स रहेंगे, एंड व्हेन इट गेट रिलीज्ड यू विल बी ऑल फाइन.
राइट. आज पहली बार मैंने डिटेल में समझा ये चीजें मेरी बॉडी में किस तरीके से चल रही है.
Right.
That was really nice. So, Dr. Neha, we have a viewer who has
Hmm.
written a question for us. That is Seema Pandey. She is writing, "Ma'am, vaginal order के लिए क्या करूँ मैं?" Like she's getting a bad smell or something like that. So what can we
Yeah,
do that?
I can understand. देखो, vaginal discharges and odors are absolutely normal. अगर आपको लगता है कि आरजू की बॉडी में से नहीं आता होगा या मेरी बॉडी में से नहीं आता
No.
होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. It's absolutely okay to have vaginal discharges and sometimes some tacky smells, and it's okay. But if you feel that you want to keep that area hygienic, let's not talk about odor. Let's talk about the hygiene over there, right? And it's very important that you use a good wash. I'm not here recommended any XYZ thing, but
Yeah.
go for a good natural without any harsh chemical wala wash. Go for it, use it, and don't randomly go for soaps also. ये नहीं है कि आप जिससे नहा रहे हो वो soap use कर सकते हो. They are made vaginal washes. You can use
Yeah.
them. They are good to use. और अगर आपको लगता है फिर भी odor आ रहा है, there are also some perfumes available, but don't go for those perfumes blindly. Being a doctor, I severely feel, but because sometimes they have harsh chemicals, do read them, trust them, and then go for it. And use good underwears. And don't go for XYZ. Usually जो periods time पे आप pads वगैरह use करते हैं ना, स्पेशली जब वो स्टार्टिंग डेज और एंड डेज होते हैं, जब हमें रैशेस बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग टाइम पे इतना डिस्चार्ज नहीं होता और एंड डेज पे नहीं होता है, तब बहुत ज्यादा रैशेस होते हैं. और उसकी वजह से भी कभी कभार म्यूकस या कभी कभार कुछ ग्लैंड सिक्रीशन होता है जिसकी वजह से ओडर्स आते हैं. सो इट हैज टू बी जस्ट अ गुड वॉश मॉर्निंग इवनिंग एंड वियर गुड हाइजीनिक क्लीन अंडरगार्मेंट्स.
Right. What I've learned is like this wash maintains our pH level kind of a thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
My doctor said me. So for that only I also use it every day. You should use it
Every
daily.
day. वैसे तो vagina has this
Yeah.
automatic level of maintaining that pH, and this washes sometimes do whenever we use anything, some new undergarments, or maybe
Yeah.
get it into, or maybe go for some different kind of sex positions or something. तब भी हमारा pH disturb होता है. तो ऐसे में if you are using a wash, this pH gets maintained automatically.
Okay. We also have one question from a viewer that she says, "Hello, ma'am. I'm suffering from endometriosis. How it is related to psychological well-being?"
सी, एंडोमेट्रोसिस इज अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट डायग्नोसिस. जैसे हम यूट्रस की बात कर रहे थे, जिसको हम बोलते हैं हमारा गर्भाशय, जहाँ हमारा बच्चा
Yeah.
पैदा होता है, तो दैट गर्भ हैज 3 layers, 3 skin layers: endometrium, myometrium, and बाहर वाला लेयर. सो endometrium is basically which sheds off every month. जो मैं बोल रही थी ना, लेयर्स निकलती हैं. तो अगर आपका बच्चा वहां आ जाता है तो ये एंडोमेट्रियम और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. इट डेवलप्स अ लिटिल, लेट्स से, बैग वेयर द बेबी लिव्स.
Okay. Got that.
राइट.
Yeah.
सो अगर ये एंडोमेट्रियम हमें नहीं चाहिए तो ये शेड ऑफ होता रहेगा. सो एंडोमेट्रोसिस इज अ, it's an infection condition of your endometrium, or maybe the swollen condition, inflammation, and it is related to psychological well-being. Yes, because then again your hormones are deflecting, you're feeling pain inside, maybe you feel there is some kind of fibrosis inside, so that leads to your psychological disbalance also. And yes, you are worried.
Yeah, of course.
है ना, तो worried तो आप हो ही, तो उससे भी वो बिल्कुल definitely relate करता है.
Okay, okay. So Seema says thank you for the previous question. She was like, she felt like she's the only one who is suffering from this order and all. No, we all are
No,
suffering from.
we do all.
once or twice, maybe more than that in a lifetime. We have also suffered the same thing, right, Nehadi?
The laugh, it's not just lifetime. Even if you'll just talk about, you are not married. If I'll tell you, when you're feeding your kids, or maybe post kids, or maybe after sex, lots of the time we feel their particular odor. It's not mine, or maybe I feel I should change it. I should not use this particular underwears or maybe panties. But trust me, odor is absolutely normal. Your body is, it's in whole, na, where which is giving all which is coming bad from outside. So it's absolutely normal. Don't worry about odor at all.
Absolutely. And by the way, I'm married.
Oh, you look so cute. So
Thank you.
okay.
Leaving all the personal questions aside, we are moving
Yes.
on to the last but not the least question from YFH Life Care. They ask, PCOD and PCOS are normal. Why do women overthink them? Absolutely, I have people around me who literally overthinks for these things. Why is
See,
it?
let's not even say them that there is nothing to overthink, because as a professional, you have to look for the signals when you need to just take care of them. Because there are lots of patients who come to me and say, नहीं नहीं हमें PCOS नहीं है, ऐसी कोई problem नहीं है, पता नहीं conceive क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Because they ignore those signals during their normal menstrual cycle when they have to take
Right.
care of it.
Right.
PCOS PCODs both are that luteal phase issues. जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना कि वो मेच्योर होता है, तो ऐसा
Right.
क्या होता है कि जब वो मेच्योर होता है PCODs में, उसके अंदर एग की जगह बहुत ज्यादा पानी भर जाता है. तो दे आर नॉट
Okay.
मेच्योर्ड एग्स दैट आर रेडी टू गेट प्रेग्नेंट. वो एग्स तो है, उनकी क्वांटिटी तो है जितनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो इतने मेच्योर नहीं है कि स्पर्म को ले पाए. तो फिर क्या है, प्रेगनेंसी इश्यूज हो जाते हैं. उनके बनने का भी कोई फायदा नहीं जब हम उसे यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो so
Right.
that leads to the issues, that leads to lots of, let's say, gaps in your period cycle, lots of cramps, pains, and that leads to weight increase, hair on the face, or let's say you more look like a man, your hormone get fluctuated. तो ये problems आती हैं. तो इसलिए इनके signals बहुत important है. चलो मैं यहाँ बात ही कर देती हूँ. There are 3 signals if we are talking about when to get worried for and when not to.
Okay. Let's talk about
So when to get worried. If you feel there are more than 3 months you haven't menstruated,
Okay.
okay, periods नहीं आए हैं, then you can go
Right.
to a doctor and get yourself tested over 3 months. Otherwise, बहुत बार हम लोकेशन बदलते हैं, जगह बदल देते हैं, ठंड से गर्मी में जा रहे हैं, तो भी थोड़ा बहुत शिफ्ट हो जाता है. Okay.
Got
Second signal, when you feel excessive pain, odor, or maybe some discharge that needs to be monitored. एक दो दिन नहीं, बहुत दिनों से आ रहा है, and it has some blood coming up or maybe some different odor which is not at all right. And
Right.
third is about when you feel your periods have been, you are releasing, you are menstruating more than 7 days in one go.
Oh God, these things really happen?
Yeah, it happens.
Shit,
Okay.
this is
So if
really
it's 7 days and you are menstruating highly, even there are females who comes to me and say 15 दिन हो गए हमारी bleeding नहीं रुकी है. So there was a time they are using contraceptive pills, या उन्होंने लिया था तो अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं रुक रहा है. ऐसे में भी give them some medication that helps to stop the flow. Otherwise that will take all your life. इतना RBC का loss होना, आप anemic हो जाएंगे ना.
definitely, definitely.
तो ऐसे में अगर ये 3 पॉइंट्स हैं तो ही आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, या आपकी अभी साइकिल हुई है और 7-8 दिन में फिर से साइकिल शुरू हो गया है,
Right.
रेगुलरली ऐसा हो रहा है,
Yeah.
तभी आप PCOS या PCOD के लिए कंसर्न रहिए. अदरवाइज देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी. एंड सेकंड बिग थिंग मी एंड आजू आर सेइंग हियर कंप्लीटली थ्रू आवर लाउडर वॉइस, PCOS एंड PCOD कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. अगर आप अपनी डाइट, अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को मॉडिफाइड रखते हैं, उस पर थोड़ा सा काम करते हैं, दैट कैन बी completely cured. Completely cured.
So the one of the reason you are saying is like a PCOD and PCOS is because of your lifestyle. The lifestyle you are living is the reason why these things are happening to you.
Yes, your infertility, skin care issues, PCOS and PCODs are lifestyle issues.
Right. And today तो I know people are in hurry of everything. अगर आप उनको चांस दे दो तो वो 9 month तक भी बेबी को अंदर ना रखे. You get
Well,
a something like that कि अभी ला दो तो they'll be like हाँ ला के आ देते.
let me get away from the pain. But yes, there are certain ladies who actually need cares and they ignore it. Trust me, there are lots of them who will be like, नहीं यार, क्यों डॉक्टर के पास जाना है? कौन से डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे? There are many gynecologists who are little rude in conversation, so they'll be like, नहीं यार, डांट देती हैं, या maybe they'll touch me inside, or maybe I don't want to stretch. That's why the teenagers are not getting the right guidance on what to use during their periods. जो उनकी
Right,
मदर यूज करती हैं, दे आर यूजिंग द सेम, दे आर नॉट अपडेटिंग देम, दे आर
yeah,
fearful of using new things coming up, and that somewhere make the kids go through, maybe they don't get the right guidance.
right. This is what I've also seen. I have few of my, I have a younger sister and her friends. So what I have seen that they are not free enough, or they are not, they'll talk about rest everything. But if we talk about periods or something like that, they'll be like, can we change the topic? But why this thing is happening? This is like 21st century. Guys, you are in 2021. You need to talk
Yes,
about and everything, and it's all right to talk about each and everything, because these days so movies are also coming on such topics. Why
yes,
are you
yes,
having things like that? And I don't know why today also people are feeling so ashamed, so much like, they have this much thing. Oh, acha maine inko ye bol diya to mere bare mein aisa sochne lagenge. No guys, nobody thinks about it. Nobody gives a damn for it, man. You need to
yes.
talk. Talking is the way where you complete your worries. That what
Hi,
I
even if you feel that I shouldn't talk in a group, let's say where the boys are also there, something you can
yeah.
talk at least between girls. You can talk about what she is using, what is the good way, how much comfortable she is feeling in that, क्या उसको कोई problem है, which brand she is using, है ना?
Yeah.
इसके बारे में तो definitely आपको बात करनी चाहिए, and just don't keep it with you. Communicate it, aware people around you. Maybe it's your maid. You cannot go to an NGO and start shouting on that, but with your maid, at least with your maid kids, or maybe somewhere in the shopkeeper's house, जहां पे भी आपको लगता है किसी को प्लीज कन्वे करने की जरूरत है, वहां पे उसे जरूर करें. A cup
No,
will cost you 400, 500 rupees. But if you'll give that to your maid and tell her how to use it, she'll be very happy.
very happy. And see, personally, my personal experiences for menstrual cup, I have asked my friend who she was using it prior. So I was like, how
हाँ.
is it? Should I use it or not? How the things are? She was like, at least give a try, Arzu. You will get to know okay, how easy and convenient this thing is. And trust me, this
Yes.
really helped me out. यार पूछने से कुछ बिगड़ता नहीं. और अभी भी we are here for next few minutes. If you have any questions regarding any damn thing, Neha will help you out. I am here to help you out. Please go and ask us anything. We are seeing so
Yes.
many people joining us. अगर आपने अभी तक कुछ भी miss किया है, this is going to be saved on our page, that is YFH Life Care. Guys, this is all about your menstrual health, hygiene, and a good life with periods. Periods is something that you cannot avoid. It is a part of your body. You have to go ahead with it, and you have to, take care of it too, definitely. So we have Neha with us, helping us. So many people have already asked so many questions. If anybody else want to ask anything, please go ahead. Or anything, Neha, you want to share, I would definitely love to hear it.
I'll try to sum up 2 3 points, because if we're talking about menstrual hygiene, okay.
Yeah, yeah,
The biggest point about using a menstrual cup is it will lead to breaking of your hymen or virginity, which is absolutely wrong. It is not like that. You can use the menstrual cup and don't worry about your virginity or something, okay, because it is not getting inserted to such place, and it's not that hard materials, a pure silicone materials which is used, and go for the good company. YFH is one of the very good
very,
brand. You
very
can switch
nice.
them.
And you
And
can
yes, and we both are using from YFH only ना, तभी हम लाइव कर रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि
life
हमें बहुत comfortable लग रहा
yeah.
है ये.
No, but I am serious about it. I'm using it, and even she's using it. We are finding it very convenient and very
Yes,
nice.
yes. Second, before if I'll talk about menstrual hygiene, please don't go for clothes even if you find it comfortable. मैंने बहुत सी लेडी से बात की, उन्होंने बोला कपड़ा रखना बहुत आसान होता है और खर्चा भी नहीं होता है. यू कैन जस्ट कट द क्लोथ एंड यूज इट. ट्रस्ट मी, खर्चा अभी नहीं है, बाद में you will find it, you'll regret your decision. Have you seen the Akshay Kumar ad where he'll be saying, don't go for kapda, है ना, go for the
Yeah,
pads, go for something hygienic to your wife, invest in it rather than investing in your smoke. right?
Yeah.
So maintain a good hygiene over there. Somewhere aware कि ये करना है. Even if you want to go for cups, you want to go for tampons, if you want to go for pad, depends आपको क्या comfortable लगता है. एक ही चीज मैं यहाँ बोलूंगी, प्लीज वहां का ध्यान रखिए. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, को जरा सा भी पेन हो रहा है, go to your husband, talk about it, that I feel pain there, I feel there is some fluctuations, I feel I need to go to a doctor, I think I need to talk about it. Please just don't keep it inside you and keep on
Yeah.
using whatever. जो चल रहा है उसे चलते नहीं रहने दो. Update yourself.
Absolutely. If you can't talk to your husband, talk to your mom or your friend or your
Yes,
sister, anybody, please, but talk.
yes.
Talk, it's what we required. So I think this is it for today. It was absolutely amazing session and indeed very informative and knowledgeable. Thanks to Dr. Neha for being such a humble and good at this. I think acha, let it go for this. This
Yeah,
is
there will be lots of questions otherwise for the diagnosis.
yeah. Okay. So any other questions, we'll be live again with some other people around us. We have VFH Life Care is coming up with such amazing sessions every week. So we would love कि आप VFH Care को like कीजिए, support कीजिए, follow कीजिए, and we'll be back. Dr. Neha, I love you so much.
Thank you so much. And
Was it amazing session?
thank you, and keep awareing YFH. Keep awareing people about it. I'll be always there to help you. Even if you have any questions, still the people who will watch us later when this live will be saved, you can DM me. I'll
Yeah,
definitely reply. And the
definitely.
team is working absolutely amazing. Go and support them. And they are doing amazing. Their products are really good. I'm
Really good.
using it. And if you just want to switch to menstrual cups, you can start with it.
They have cup, and with that cup they have cleanser also, so which is
Yes.
really good. Like आपको किस तरीके से क्लीन करना है, कितने हाइजीनली क्लीन करना है. They have process also जहाँ पे अंदर आपके पास पूरा एक पेपर आएगा जिसमें they'll help you with everything how to go ahead
Yes.
with it. So this is one of the best thing what I love about YFH Life Care. So कुछ भी हो, pads चाहिए या tampons चाहिए या फिर you are using menstrual cups, please go with YFH Life Care. So this is it. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much, Dr. Neha, for joining here.
Thank you.
We'll see
Thank
you
you.
again. Till then, have a wonderful evening. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Bye bye.